having fun today. Look at him run and play. He's dancing his own way now. Every day's a holiday, playing, dancing, time to celebrate. Laughing every day, life can be so great. Life is a moment, this is the moment, don't let it escape. Hey, hopping, jumping, kuli kuli kuli, dancing, playing, kuli kuli kuli, sing it with me, kuli kuli kuli, kuli kuli kuli, kukuli. Hopping, jumping, kuli kuli kuli, dancing, playing, kuli kuli kuli, sing it with me, kuli kuli kuli, kuli kuli kuli, kukuli. Last layer of the tower. We need to be very careful.
I want to put the last layer. Okay, calm down. You're going to ruin it. Here, take this. I'm going to take a picture of it.
You need to be very careful, Kukuli. You could easily knock the tower down. Here's our tower.
I need to take its picture now. Smile.
Cheese.
1, 2, 3. Huh? Oh no, the tower fell over.
What did you do, Kukuli? Oh no, the vase!
I got it.
I got it! Kukuli, you're going to wreck the whole place. I think we should go outside. Kukuli, here, eat some mint. Maybe it'll help. Maybe try some parsley this time.
Kukuli, I think you should hold your breath. Maybe that would help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5, 10. I think they're gone. Oh, it didn't work.
Now what are we gonna do?
Hello, friends. What's up? Oh, so you have the hiccups. Did you try eating mint leaves?
Yeah, we even tried parsley.
What about holding your breath?
He did.
Well, then, there's only one thing left to do. We have to scare him.
Hey! That sounds like a lot of fun. Kukuli is afraid of nothing.
Well, it's nothing to worry about because I know exactly what we can do about it.
It came on so suddenly, they came 1, 2, 3. Sounding out from in his mouth came a little hiccup. We tried everything we knew, gave him some parsley to chew. But no matter what we do, nothing stops the hiccup. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Get away, go away, hiccup. Get away, go away, get away, go away, go away, hiccup. Not another hiccup. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Get away, go away, hiccup. Get away, go away, get away, go away, go away, hiccup. Not another hiccup. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Get away, go away, hiccup. Get away, go away, go away, go away, hiccup. Not another hiccup.
You guys can call me the Hiccup Doctor instead.
Look at Kukuli. He was really scared.
Oh, see, I told you.
I think it worked. Kukuli doesn't have hiccups.
No, he sure doesn't. We did it. Huh? Who did that?
Me!